Hello, my name is Jason Park, and I'm the head of research at Riiid AI. So originally, my research focus has always been to elevate learning experience for a wide range of systems, such as mobile learning or game-based learning, using data mining and machine learning methodologies. It became very obvious to me that using data to analyze users can bring significant impact to the quality of learning. At Riiid, our research group aims to uplift education using data science and artificial intelligence. What AI brings to education is very well summarized by one of our own, our colleague, Jim Larrymore, the Chief Officer for Equity in Learning, which is to be able to remove the notion that there are some students who learn better and some students who can't. This is something I resonate deeply, not only as a researcher, but also at a very personal level. The inefficiency of learning is all over education systems. Once upon a time, as a young and eager graduate student who just learned about machine learning, I wanted to learn everything about machine learning. It wasn't really difficult to find online learning materials through online courses or blog posts that basically try to teach me how a random forest or an artificial neural network worked. However, what was difficult was to find the right instructor appropriate for my knowledge and the right blog post that answered my questions directly. The process was both time-consuming and sometimes even ineffective. After spending a couple of hours studying, I basically came out with nothing. The abundance of instructional resources was never really the problem, but efficient curation of the right content was. We believe, as a group of AI in education researchers, removing such inefficiencies using AI is a very interesting, yet a very solvable problem, which as a result, hopefully, will save me a lot of time when learning new materials so that I can focus on being a better researcher and studying, doing more experiments and writing better papers. As we all know, what builds AI is data. This is not different for AI in education. The availability of a variety of educational data is vital for the community's success. If there's one thing we hope this workshop will be able to accomplish, it's to build a stronger community with open collaboration between researchers and industry to propel AI in education, both as a field and an industry. Riiid AI Research Group recently published a publicly open dataset with over 100 million user interaction records for one of the most popular educational tasks, also known as knowledge tracing. However, we don't intend to make this a one-time offering, nor do we want it to be our last. We hope to continuously extend our involvement in diversifying educational data. What is truly exciting about educational data is that it has so many different dimensions to it. Simply assessing a student's knowledge state and predicting correctness for unseen questions is just simply not the end goal, but rather a start. More diversity of labeled data to analyze various properties of a student, such as student's interest, learning style, and motivational level, and other exciting behavioral properties will allow researchers to deliver invaluable AI products that seem like science fiction. For example, an AI chatbot that teaches a student based on their personal interest, creating fun tasks, or even providing a game when the student's attention is getting lower. Sometimes even predicting the user's current and future ability to succeed in specific career roles, and many more that's coming. With more diverse educational data, innovative AI models will follow. We have witnessed such evolution in fields such as natural language processing and vision through the likes of BERT and GPT-3. An AI model built on invaluable data have already shown its reach through multiple domains. For NLP, it was document search, machine translations, and even all the way to machine generation. As NLP has evolved along its data, we hope that AI in education will enjoy the same progress. We firmly believe that finding the right educational data and developing valuable AI models will be a vital step forward in education and ultimately allow our generation to continue the legacy of knowledge. We hope that, together as a community, AI and education will take our first step forward, building an effective ecosystem to reimagine education.